there be more power of AI that could push the boundary of design?
Design is about challenging. It's about questioning things.
Would you say AI generated are more like plagiarism or innovation?
I think now everybody's talking about AI, but how AI will be an enabler for promote the design and also further elevate the design competence. I think this is a very big question for us being as designers. So therefore, there are many questions about AI. So first of all, how AI as a tool could help our designers to do better design. But still, will there be more power of AI that could push the boundary of design? We don't know. They probably could help us to further expand the scope. And also how the situation in the AI-based future life will have the problems for people's living in different kind of scenarios that we probably cannot encounter now. So with all that kind of expectations, we eventually start this competition with the title of AI Works. So with the aim to stimulate the young designers to deal with the situation, to face the challenge of AI.
AI aggregates data. We feed the different engines with sketches, with inspiration, and of course you come with some new ideas. So it's not really about copying, really not, but it's of course a very useful tool because that helps us to create based on a certain idea or certain prompt, many different iterations, and therefore like that improve our efficiency, for example.
What things do you think that they must do now, or anything that they should drop immediately?
In order to master a new tool, you need to master the academics. You need to master the basics. That means using AI or the introduction of AI in your design process doesn't mean that you have to drop, let's say, the basic design skills, like we can think about drawing. Design is about challenging. It's about questioning things. The designer puts that on the wall and then says, okay, boss, I'm finished. Which one do you prefer? And that's where the risk is, because then in this case, I turn to be myself the designer, which I don't want to be. The designer needs to be critical, needs to be able to filter and guide us as management into what is the best solution, what is the most relevant solution for the market, for the business, for the company, what's the very best we can propose.